For policymakers, it is often useful to get a more real-time understanding of what's going on at a particular point in time. The main issue is imputation of high-frequency indicators of the state of the economy. So by high frequency, I mean weekly data. So example would be financial crisis, exactly how events evolved, and the COVID episode. Monthly and quarterly data tends to be seasonally adjusted professionally. So instead of trying to do something that is imperfect, I'm going to work around it by actually not adjusting the data. The idea is I would take a well-established monthly indicator and I simply treat the weeks in between months as missing values, and I fill in those values. A lot of economic analysis actually needs a weekly, a summary measure of the state of the economy. So without that sort of measure, it's sort of incomplete. So this is really failing in providing some high frequency estimates of state of the economy, which can be for research purposes or for policy purposes.